ASUS TUF A15 review. Budget beast or overhyped entry-level gaming laptop? Dragging through lag spikes, constant crashes, and outdated machines drains more than your battery. It steals your focus and motivation. When you're juggling school, work, and gaming, a weak laptop feels like quicksand. Hours vanish on loading screens, fan noise competes with your thoughts, and frustration replaces flow. You deserve smoother battles, faster projects, and a setup that doesn't hold you back. Every day wasted on choppy frame rates or stalled apps compounds the stress. Tasks pile higher, your game squad loses patience, and deadlines blur into all-nighters. Burnout creeps in when your rig feels like an enemy instead of an ally. Missed victories, missed opportunities, and mounting exhaustion leave you asking, why should staying competitive feel like punishment? The ASUS TUF Gaming A15, FA506NC DS53, flips the script. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS and NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU, it's built for buttery 1080p gaming and stress-free multitasking. Imagine finishing classwork, then seamlessly switching to Apex Legends at over 100 frames per second on the 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz adaptive sync display, zero lag, zero excuses. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, apps load instantly and multitasking flows like second nature. The military-grade durability shrugs off travel knocks, while arc-flow cooling keeps temps steady even during marathons. One real-life moment? A student gamer reported pulling an all-nighter to finish an engineering project, then jumping into ranked matches without a single stutter, laptop cool, focus sharp, victory sweet. With Wi-Fi 6 stability and an RGB keyboard that screams gamer aesthetic, the A15 feels less like a budget compromise and more like a game-changer disguised in stealth black. The magic of the ASUS TUF A15 lies in how it fuses power with resilience. That 144Hz screen transforms shooters into liquid-smooth firefights. The RTX 3050 with DLSS and ray tracing injects realism, sunlight slicing through digital worlds, explosions that feel almost tactile. Experts rave, exceptional value in the budget segment, Ryzen plus RTX combo delivers. Influencers echo, a sweet spot for students, fast, durable, and portable. Analysts agree, performs spectacularly well for its class. Real users back it up, runs Fortnite and Apex above 100 frames per second, insane difference from my old laptop. Another shared, handles engineering software by day, gaming by night, without breaking a sweat. Even durability gets applause, feels rock solid, no flex, military-tested toughness lives up to the name. Sure, brightness outdoors could be stronger, but indoors the colors pop, perfect for content or casual editing. Why do so many call this laptop a budget beast? Because it doesn't just play games, it streamlines workflows, sustains performance, and makes modern gaming accessible. The A15 proves you don't need a $2,000 monster to enjoy smooth gameplay, sharp visuals, and daily reliability. Don't wait, the ASUS TUF A15 is moving fast, with thousands already upgrading to smoother, tougher gameplay. Why risk another match lost to lag or another project slowed by ancient hardware? This laptop delivers value, speed, and resilience in one package. Supplies are limited, and once they're gone, frustration comes back. Seize this chance, upgrade your grind, and join the wave of gamers and students already winning with the A15. Act now, your future self will thank you.